In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies in Asana. 5 minutes. Dependencies help you show the order of work, so your team knows what must happen first and what can start next. Let's walk through it together from sign in to setting clear relationships between tasks. First, open your browser and go to Asana's login page. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and log in. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage where you can see your recent projects and tasks. From here, open the project where your work lives so we can add a dependency inside a real task. In your project, choose the task you want to work with and open its details. The details pane is where you'll find everything about that task: assignee, due dates, descriptions, and importantly, dependencies. Look for the option to add dependencies and click it. This is where you'll connect your current task to other tasks in the project. Now you can select a task from the list or start typing to search. If you're typing, enter the name of the task that needs to be completed before the current task can begin. This is your predecessor, the work that must be done first. Choose the correct task so the link is accurate and clear to everyone on your team. Next, choose the dependency type. You'll see two options. If your current task can't start until another task is finished, select Blocked By. This means your task is dependent on that earlier task wrapping up. If the opposite is true, that your current task must be completed before the other one can start, choose Blocking. This shows that your task is the prerequisite for the next piece of work. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Keep task names specific so they're easy to find when you search. Make sure each task has a clear owner and realistic dates so the dependency actually reflects how the work will flow. When the upstream task is completed, Asana will visually update the status, making it easier for the downstream task owner to know they can start. If your team uses project views like list, board, or timeline, these dependencies will help everyone see the sequence and avoid surprises. That's it. You logged in, opened your project, selected a task, added a dependency by choosing or typing the related task, and set whether your task is blocked by another or is blocking the next. With dependencies in place, your project plan becomes clearer, your team gets fewer bottlenecks, and work moves in the right order.